Does your pivot table look like this, where your dates are not being grouped properly? If that's the case, there might be an issue with your data, because normally once you add a date to your pivot table, Excel should automatically group it. And even if it doesn't, you should be able to right click and select group. But here I'm getting an error saying I can't group the selection. So that means there's a problem with my data. So if I go to my data tab here, one way to check if my dates are reading properly is just to add 1 to them. So select the value, +1, copy it down. And so here I've got an error. I've got a value error. And that's because this value here has some extra spaces at the beginning. If I remove that, now my data looks okay. And I no longer have any errors in that column. So now what I'm going to do is go back and refresh my pivot table. And now what I should be able to do is right click, group, and now I can group it by months and years. And this is this kind of grouping you should expect when you set up your pivot table once you add dates. If it's not happening automatically and you're not able to group it, then check your data to make sure your dates are reading properly.